Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial with Dolly. I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload projects using the VRChat Creator Companion. So first of all, you're going to want to hit Create New Project. Make sure it's an avatar project, name it whatever you want, and then you hit Create Project. At the end of it, you'll see a little button that says Open Project right here, and it'll automatically open it up for you in Unity. Once you do that, most avatars require Poiyomi Pro if it's a PC avatar that we're uploading. If it's a Quest avatar, you will not use any shaders before you put in the actual avatar itself. So right now this is a PC only Avi. So I would take Poiyomi Pro, which I have downloaded, drag it on over and put it into this empty box here. Gonna do import, and it'll be importing all of the shaders for you. So that is step one, is the shaders. Okay guys, and then once those Poiyomi shaders are put in, then we're gonna drag in our Unity file. So for this, I got Mayu, which is a free model by Peachy0216. I just dragged it into this space right here, and now I'm going to hit import. Once you have your model in here, it'll probably be in a little file folder, and you just hit this little Open Me Unity box. Once you hit that, you're able to see Mayu. It looks like we don't have any shaders that are messed up or anything that we need to correct, but I'll show you how to do that anyway. So once you're in here, you're gonna go, if you have any pink, like hot pink areas, or something's messed up with the shaders, you're going to want to go over to the All Materials tab, and once you're over here, you're going to be clicking on anything that isn't the shader material you would want. So for example, let's do like these three. If I wanted to make all of them Poiyomi, I would do Poiyomi, Poiyomi 7.3, Poiyomi 2, right? And that would make all of them Poiyomi if it was like hot pink or messed up or what have you. So that's how you fix shaders if they're not importing properly or something's happening. Pretty straightforward. If there's anything that's wrong, that'll probably be it. One of the other errors that you'll commonly see while uploading sometimes is you'll get to it, you'll go into the SDK, you'll log in, and it'll say error saving blueprint. If it says that, you can click on the model over here, scroll down to where it has the blueprint in the pipeline manager. It'll have blueprint ID. And it'll have like a box there. So let me log in really quick just to show y'all what that looks like. Okay, so now I have everything logged in, and so in the authentication, so I'm able to upload the avatar now. So if I go over here to the pipeline manager, like I said, with the blueprint ID, sometimes there'll be a number here. If there's something there, it'll have the number like this here, you can hit detach and it'll automatically take it off for you, or you just gotta delete it. So once that's all done and good, then you just hit build and publish for Windows. If you want to do a Quest upload, all you have to do is create a completely new project, is what I do in the Creator Companion, and hit avatar project. Say for example with this, it would be Mayu Quest. Hit avatar, create project, open, and then you're not going to import the Poiyomi shaders this time. You will only import the avatar package. Once that's all good and ready, and you have all of your shaders are set then to be VRChat shaders. If you have anything wrong, that's what you would set it to. Then you would come over here and do switch build target to Android. And if you wanted to upload, so that it's also on the PC Avi, so that people can see either PC or Quest, you would go into your content manager, and that is where you would hit that is where you would hit copy ID and put it in this Blueprint ID manager to make sure it's on top of it. If you just want to do a PC upload, all you have to do is hit this build and publish for Windows. It is that easy. Sometimes it'll have this pop up, or there's going to be things that you have to just hit autofix on. That's okay, it's pretty easy to do. Um, but with these kinds of things, you just hit yes, and then it'll be like, your materials have been logged. You hit okay. Okay, now as you can see, there is the upload. All you have to do, name it Mayu. You want to make sure that if you're uploading an avatar that you have gotten, you're uploading it as a private avatar. You just click the above information is correct, and then you're just able to hit upload, and it should be good to go. You're going to have another loading screen, but after that is all done, it should be all good and ready to upload to VRChat. Like I said, you would just, once that is uploaded, it'll show up over here for you to click the copy ID and insert that into the inspector for your Abby, for your Quest version. But yeah, that should be about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions below, or if I say anything that didn't make sense and you need some more explanation. Totally all good. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And with that, I have a new Abby to wear. Bye!